Okay, if you are seeing this, then you are here to learn about how to use Google Draw. So we'd used this a couple times this year, but I want to take a moment and kind of talk about it in the sense of this project. So for this project, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking a look at what exactly science is. So think in your own brain. When you think of science, what exactly are you thinking of? What are you seeing? I want you to think of pictures that you might see that might make you think of science. In this project, what you're going to be doing is creating a collection of images and words that make you think about science or think of science. For this activity, I want you to utilize all of the open space in your working area. If you need to make it larger or smaller, you are welcome to do so. Afterwards, you're going to include descriptions of the pictures and how they relate to science. So when you open it up, yours is going to be a blank screen here. So this is your workspace. At any time, you can change the background color. Any color, you can make it a gradient to make it kind of like that. I'm just going to make the background like this so we can start here. So for this, you can add in words. So you can add words using a text box. You might want to make things larger or smaller by playing with the numbers in this box, the font size box. You can make things bold so they stand out a little bit more, or italicized so they're slanted, or underlined if you would like them to be underlined. None of those are required here. On top of words, you can also add in pictures. To do that, all you need to do is click Insert, Image, Search from the web. And when you do that, you can just search for whatever you want. So when I think of science, if I think about space, I might type in space, then I could take a picture over here, and I'll have this gigantic image of space. So what I might want to do is I might want to make this smaller, because for this, if you look at the rubric, it is asking you to have at least 10 images. So that one huge image might not be the best thing. So to make it stay the same shape, you're going to drag from the corner. If you drag from above, it'll squish the picture. Or if you drag from the side, it'll do the same thing and squish the picture. So I always recommend dragging from the corners. And you can arrange these however you want. You could always click that circle up at the top and turn the picture if you wanted to turn it. However you want to organize this. You could also make this into different shapes by clicking this little triangle and choosing whatever shape you want it to be. So if I wanted it to be in a cloud, I can make it into a cloud shape. You're going to take your time and you're going to organize these however you want it to be organized. Make it look nice, like you would like to hang it on the wall. After you're done, what you'll do is you'll make a text box off to the side. And what you'll write is the picture of the Earth reminded me of space, and space is science because astronauts travel to observe planetary motion. And you just need to have a short description of why your item is space. So for each picture, you should have some sort of description. If you guys have any trouble or need any help with this, please feel free. You can rewatch this video, or you could always go and look up your questions on Google.